To preserve battery health on Samsung Galaxy S26 series, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter battery right here, and then you can scroll down until you find battery protection. From here, you'll be able to enable this option, and what it does, it allows you to pick between two different options which allow you to preserve battery life. And both of them will try to limit your battery so it won't always maintain 100%, so that because keeping your phone at 100% of battery all the time may damage it. So first one is basic. If you enable it, then your battery will be charged to 100%, but when it reaches 100% and it's, for example, charging overnight, it will stop at it and then wait until it's dropped to 95 and then charge again to 100%. So it will prevent your phone to keep being charged at 100% all the time. You can use it if you like, and you can also enable sleep time protection, which stops charging at 80% while you're asleep and finishes charging to 100% before you're gonna wake up. You can use this feature however you like, without or with it. Then you can go for maximum battery protection and then adjust the percentage of the battery limit. So for example, if you set it to 80, your phone will never charge to 100%, it will only charge to 80, and that way preserve your battery health. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.